Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Smay. Today we're going to dive right into vocabulary in the stock market. These are the essential key terms and vocabulary that you guys need to get down to trade and invest in the stock market.
It's on the packaging, so we're gonna need it.
Hello? Oh, you say you there? So the first key term is a stock. What is a stock? A stock is an individual ownership of a company given out to you. So if you own a stock, you own an individual share of a company. And then what is a share? A share is an individual piece of a company. So when you own a share of a company, you now own a piece of the cookie. Next word is bull and bear. What is the bull market and what is a bear market? Bull market is describing a term for if a stock is going up. So a bull market is generally describing when the stock is going up. A bull market would be when the overall market is going up. A bear market is when the general stock is doing the opposite, going down. So bull is going up, bear is going down. Next is what is going long and what is going short. Long is when you're hoping the stock goes up, basically holding it until it goes up in the long term, I guess. That's how I look at it. And then when you short a stock is when you're hoping the stock goes down and you can profit when the stock goes down. A few things you need to know is entry point and exit point. So entry point is the price point where you get in at. So the price of a stock could be at $100, you get in at $100. Exit point would be whatever price you get out at. So let's say you get in at 100, the entry point would be 100, and the exit point would be, let's say, like 105, you profit $5. Another thing you need to know is averaging down. So when you average down your shares, let's say you buy a share at $100, and let's say it goes down to $90, and you buy another share of that stock, now your average of that would be 95, meeting in the middle. That means you're averaging down. Now you can also average up. So let's say the stock you buy at 100 and it goes to 110, you can now buy it at 110 and your average share would be 105. The average price would be 105 and you would have two shares. A few more terms you guys are going to need to know, especially trading stocks, is there's going to be a sell-off when it's going down. There's going to be a consolidation where it's bottoming out basically, so it's peaking at the bottom. There's going to be a sell-off, a consolidation, and a breakout. Now, it's not that simple, but let's make it as simple as possible for today's lesson. So, when there is a sell-off, the stock is going down, and whatever comes up, whatever goes down usually comes up. Now, that doesn't apply for every stock, but generally speaking, let's say for one simple stock that is going to go up and down, right? So, a stock will sell off. It'll drop in price point, and then eventually it will consolidate, which is going to be bottoming out, and it's going to flatten and get ready for a breakout, which is going to be a spike up. Between the sell-off and the breakout, there will be what we call support and resistance. So a support is when after the sell-off, there will be a point where it's a floor where it can't go below that. So the floor is supporting it, known as a support. And then when it is breaking out, when a stock is going up, there's going to be something known as the resistance, which is resistance is basically describing a point at which a stock is going to peak at or not go further because of other variables, which we're not going to dive into today. Now you guys need to know when you should get in and when you should get out between these 2 points as basic terms. Start there, and we'll get into more complex terms next time. I hope you guys apply these terms into your trading and investing. Hope you guys learned something. If you guys didn't, make sure to comment what I should talk about. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. If you guys want to start a brokerage, Webull is now offering 2 free stocks for signing up. Actually, I think it's 3. The stock is going to be valued up to $1,000. Make sure to click the link below. I'll have it below. And until next time, deuces. Good luck.
As you can see, my skin is really, it's breaking out. It's not very toned, so we're gonna need to use a foundation, maybe some toner, and then you guys can see, like, we might have to get my eyebrows on fleek a little bit. Routine. If you guys have suggestions for my skincare routine, definitely let me know. Thank you. That's really off topic. This is why I put this at the end of the video.